Alright, welcome back to German with John Berlin. Today we'll be continuing the article words. Previously we had done two sets of article words being which and this, that's welche and diese, and then we did what kind of and such, was für ein and solche. Yes, today we'll be continuing and we'll be talking about another demonstrative to demonstrate an article word. It's also derived from definite article, and just like we had done earlier, these are, which was when something is right in front of you. Yes, you say this, but when something is far away from you, let's say you are in a shop shopping shoes, you want to say, you'll not say I want this one. If something is far away, you'll say I want that one there. So this is what we'll be learning, very practical thing to use as well at times. So it's like that one there. How will we say that one there in German? So that one there is an article word, and let's find out. It looks like der dort. Very easy article word, just made up of der, which is the definite article, and dort. Yes, it means that one. Perfect. It's to demonstrate something further away. Now there's another alternative to saying that. If you simply want to say that, we'll also be working with jener. That is also a definite article to demonstrate something further away. Both have the same meaning, the usage is different. We'll begin with the first one, which is der dort. Now, without anything said further, it looks easy to understand this article word because it's straight away the articles with the word dort. For example, der, die, das, die, accompanied with dort, der, dort, die, dort, das, dort, die, dort, den, die, das, die, accompanied with dort, den, dort, die, dort, das, dort, die, dort, dem, der, dem, accompanied with dort, dem, dort, der, dort, dem, dort. Now coming to the dative plural, if you remember, it's den plus an extra n. Now how to say it in one? Now we can't say den plus an extra n. We kind of put it together like denen, and we call denen dort. Yes, fantastic. Now let's find out if we can get the right answers. We have an exercise here. Let's see. So the shoe, that shoe there is beautiful. How will we say that shoe there is beautiful? What is beautiful? Yes, it's nominative. The verb is sein. It's the subject. So we'll of course make it nominative. So it's like what masculine? Der dort. So we'll write it like this. Der, let's see, der Schuh dort. That shoe there. Yes. Ist schön, is beautiful. Okay, the watch there is wonderful. So it's again feminine. We'll say die Uhr dort is wunderschön. The car there is fantastic. We'll say das Auto dort ist fantastisch. The watches there are magnificent. So watches are plural. Again, nominative subject. We'll go to plural, die dort, so we'll say die Uhren dort sind hervorragend. Yes, the watches there are magnificent. Okay, now we'll talk about who and what. Let's find out. How could we do accusative? So let's say I would like to buy that shoe there. So it'll be who would like to buy what. So we'll be talking about accusative, and it's like ich möchte, I would like. And the verb is kaufen, to buy that shoe there. What would you like to buy? The shoe, it's den dort, so we'll write den Schuh dort. Fantastic, yes? So the rest I think you'll manage. Let me go to the dative case. So let's say I go with that man out. I go with that man there out. Or you could also write I drive with that car. Yes, there. So ich fahre, let's say we change it. We write Wagen. Wagen is also a car. We remove the aus. We say I drive with that car there. With which car do you drive? I drive that car there. So it'll be ich fahre mit dem Wagen dort. Yes, fantastic. Ich fahre mit dem Wagen dort. And with which girl do you go out? I go with that girl there. Ich gehe mit der, dem. Yes, it's there. So we'll write der Frau dort Okay, and let's do the rest of two. Again, we are coming to the car. It's also called auto, so we could choose the neutral dative here. I drive with. What do you drive? Basically, it's okay. We don't ask the question. Mit is dative, so we directly go to dative. Yes, and neutral it's dem, so we say ich fahre mit dem Auto dort. Now this one is interesting. The next one, I do party with those people there. I do party with those people there. Ich mache Party mit. Now mit is dative, we go to dative, we go to plural, it's denen. So ich mache Party mit denen Leuten dort. Fantastic, yes. Ich mache Party mit denen Leute dort. Okay. Fantastic. So let's move on. And yes, so that will be the part of this one. I would like to join you in the next part of the same lesson. We'll be doing a similar article word which is called that. Now we have done that one there. We'll simply do that in the next one. So join me and we learn the article word jene. Till then, John Berlin signing off. See you in the next lesson.